You've got a ratchet spanner. Going to roll out some of these stoat traps across about 2,000 hectare of Heyward Point in partnership with the community. As you guys know, Kate's been rolling out a whole bunch of multi-species control around Aramoana and Long Beach, just off the map there. So yeah, we've got about 100 odd stoat traps to put out, mostly through volunteers. So the plan for today was to lay some along here and then out towards the Heyward Point dock reserve, and we'll try and get some of the ones coming down here to Whare Akiaki. I'd leave those for now. I'll try and get them ticked off, but yeah, these ones are good to go. All of these ones good to go. We're hoping to pick up a few of these. So we got 4 or 5 traps dumped by 52, and that's enough to do down to sort of there. And then
right, we're near enough here actually. So I mean, just we could go either just a little bit that way or put it here, whichever you think. Egg, lure, set, tape. I was looking for something to occupy my time with, and what better than helping predator-free New Zealand, predator-free Dunedin, Halo project, the peninsula on the other side, and it just gets me out in the countryside, which is something I really enjoy. And certainly I know under the predator-free umbrella, looking at Sandy Mount, over there since I got rid of the possums, it's amazing how many more birds there are and how the plants have grown up. And I'm sure we'll see the same here. I mean, I know Kate's working on possums along with Jonah. And once we get rid of the possums and the stoats, I'm sure we'll get the bird life back. And hopefully we'll have the kaka flying around here.
On TV, Craig, I can't be doing all this manual shit. Yes, I like this job because you've got fantastic people, well, most of them. Look at that, fantastic views. You're doing a good job for the environment. You're getting out of the house, free exercise, free fresh air. And you just do generally, you feel good on yourself to do this sort of work. Like with the thousands of other volunteers in New Zealand. And that's why we love it. Even on a crappy winter's day, it's nice because we're living in beautiful Otago.